Destinations are something that our destiny decides. But what is destiny? What's the impact of destinations in our lives? Like, what's the importance of destinations and all of this? So, hey, and welcome back to my channel, Tanisha Talks. I'm Tanisha, the host or the owner of this channel. Just kidding. Okay. So, in my point of view, in my POV, I agree with that. Destination is equals to destiny. If destiny planned something for you, then it's called destination. If God has, like, you have different plans, but God also have their own plans, and that's called the destiny, which you get done. I think I'm not thinking you get your destination by hard work or by luck, and this is all planned already. That what are you going to do, what you wanna do, and some all of these. Okay, so in my point of view, I agree with destination is equals to destiny. I am not saying that everyone should agree with me, but this is only my point of view. I am only here to present my POV. Thank you for listening me. Bye bye.